In this video, I'll show you how to deposit money into your Phantom wallet, a popular wallet for managing Solana-based cryptocurrencies. First, open the Phantom app and make sure you're logged in. Tap your wallet address at the top. This will copy it to your clipboard. Now go to the platform where you want to send funds from, like Binance, Coinbase, or another exchange. Select the cryptocurrency you want to deposit, like SOL or USDC on the Solana network. Then choose Withdraw or Send. Paste your Phantom wallet address in the recipient field. Double-check that you're using the correct network, usually Solana. Enter the amount, confirm the transaction, and wait a few moments. The funds should appear in your Phantom wallet shortly. Always be careful with addresses and networks. Sending to the wrong one can result in loss of funds. If this helped you out, hit like and subscribe for more crypto tips and wallet guides.